This is Daddy from Busy Daddy Cooks. Today we are making fried eggs with tomatoes and onions. For this recipe, you will need a non-stick pan and a plate that fits nicely into this pan. This makes it a lot easier to turn the eggs over later. Let's start with the eggs. Crack 3 eggs in a bowl. Now, season this with half a teaspoon of soy sauce and a quarter teaspoon of pepper. Cut up about 2 teaspoons of onions. I happen to have shallots in my pantry, so I'm using them for this dish. Next, cut up 4 slices of tomatoes into about 1.5 to 2 cm slices. Heat up a non-stick pan and put in 2 tablespoons of oil over low heat. Use a non-stick pan here for this recipe. It helps a lot. Fry the onions till it turns translucent. Put in the tomato slices and let it fry for about 30 seconds to a minute. Now, slowly pour in the beaten eggs around the tomato slices. Make sure that the level of the egg is lower than that of the top of the tomatoes. Let it cook over low heat till the top of the eggs is almost set. Now, put the plate onto the pan and quickly flip it around. Slide the eggs back into the pan and fry the eggs for about 20 to 30 seconds. This is fried eggs with tomatoes and onions.